Hello viewers, as we have discussed in the earlier episodes that cleanliness of a hotel is housekeeping's ultimate responsibility. The department must function with maximum efficiency to maintain overall cleanliness of the entire property. All the areas of a hotel needs to be kept clean at all times. In addition to the guest rooms, there are other areas that guests use and gather in. These areas are known as the public spaces and could include front office lobby, bars, restaurants, fitness room, pool area, business center, guest laundry, public restrooms, floor lobbies, breakfast room and meeting rooms. All of these areas need to be kept clean and disinfected each day, just like the guest room. These areas need to be inspected. I welcome you to the episode on cleaning public areas and pest control. For better understanding of the subject, this episode is divided into 5 parts, namely cleaning front office or lobby area, cleaning elevators, stairway handrails, cleaning floor corridors and pantry, cleaning of restaurant or dining area and pest control. Let us discuss about the cleaning of front office lobby area. Front office lobby is a place where the guests may arrive first and get the first-hand idea of cleanliness of the entire hotel. Hence, a hotel lobby area should be kept clean 24 hours of the day. All lobby and front office areas like flooring, ceiling, furniture, glass doors, glass windows, fixtures, etc. should be kept clean at any given time. The following procedure can be adopted in cleaning the front office or lobby area. Garbage from the dustbins placed in the lobby area to be removed and cleaned if required. While removing the garbage, separate the recyclable and non-recyclable items from the garbage and place them in separate containers. Replace the clean dustbins to the original spot. Telephones are to be kept clean and disinfected by spraying disinfectant on a dry cloth and cleaning telephone mouthpiece, earpiece and the whole of the telephone instrument. If the hotel has a kiosk with a touch screen information provider, then wipe the kiosk touch screen and remove fingerprint marks using recommended microfiber cloth. Lobby areas are to be mopped, furniture and fixtures are to be vacuumed for better cleaning, and then lobby floors have to be cleaned daily with diluted cleaning solutions recommended. Cleaning elevators, lift and stairway handrails. Cleaning elevators, lifts. Elevators or lifts are used more frequently by the guests residing in a hotel. The housekeeping department is responsible for keeping the elevators clean and odorless. Some elevators need to be cleaned on a daily basis because of their volume of use. Usually, the best time to schedule the elevator cleaning is either during late night or very early morning in order to avoid inconvenience to the guests. The following steps may be observed while cleaning the elevators. The elevators are to be marked as out of service until the cleaning work is complete. The elevator or lift door should stay open until the cleaning work is finished and then place the elevator back to service. Cleaning should be done according to the interior design and materials used on the elevator and use only the recommended cleaning methods and cleaning solutions. The elevators are to be cleaned from the top to bottom to avoid soiling of the areas which are already cleaned. A step ladder to be used to reach the ceiling and clean the ceiling with a feather duster. Wipe the ceiling and lights with damp cloth followed by a dry cloth. Mirrors are to be cleaned and checked the surface for stains. If stains appear, they are to be wiped neatly until they disappear. Wipe elevator operating buttons with a damp duster. Cleaning solutions on the buttons is not advisable as this may damage them. dust around the edges in the elevators, mop the elevator floor to eliminate the stain, vacuum carpets using a high power vacuum cleaner, report loose or ripped carpeting to the concerned supervisor and make a note in the assignment sheet, and use a dry cloth for high polish. Cleaning stairways and stairway handrails. There are many health conscious guests who prefer to climb the stairs rather than use elevators. So, the stairways and stairway handrails are also required to be kept clean. The following common procedure can be more useful in cleaning the stairways and stairway handrails. If the stairs are made of ceramic tiles or granites, first mop each step cleanly. Make a note of the broken or damaged tile or granite and report to the supervisor for immediate repair. Use only recommended cleaning solution or chemical to clean the tiles or granites. If the stairs are covered with carpets, then vacuum the carpet first. If there are any stains or spills on the carpet, remove the stains by carpet shampooing. Remove cobweb, dirt, etc. before cleaning the handrails. If the handrails are made of metal, then apply cleaning solution and wipe the handrails. If mild detergents are used, then wipe handrails with a wet cloth to rinse, then apply the detergent and again wipe with damp cloth and then with a dry cloth to remove any stain and to give a shiny look. If the handrails are made of wood, then follow the cleaning procedures recommended by the housekeeping manual. Cleaning glass surfaces, windows and mirrors. All glass surfaces including the windows and mirrors have to be kept clean and tidy. The following method can be employed to clean the glass surfaces and windows. First, spray windows and glass surfaces with water or recommended cleaning solution. Wipe the windows and glass surfaces with a dry and clean cloth and overlap each stroke slightly to remove all water or cleaning solution. Then use a lint-free duster to wipe the glass surface to get the shiny effect on the glass surface. Use a damp sponge with water only to wipe the mirror. Glass cleaner is not recommended for cleaning mirrors because it may leave streaks. Dry and polish the mirror with dry cloth. Wipe entire area of glass. Check for smudges and re-wipe and then check the mirror for stains and marks. Carpet and furniture upholstery vacuuming. The hotel establishments spend a great deal of amount for good quality floor carpets, furniture and furniture upholstery, and these floor carpets and furniture upholstery also require regular care with respect to cleaning and maintenance. The following procedure can be followed with respect to upkeep of the carpets and furniture upholstery. Furniture is to be dusted and all the upholstery is to be cleaned with vacuum cleaner. Connect the appropriate cleaning attachment for vacuuming upholstered furnitures. Vacuum furniture arm rest, seat back and the area behind the seat back. Use a heavy duty vacuum cleaner to vacuum all the carpeted area on the lobby or front office. Vacuum under desks and other areas. Move furniture as and when required, and once cleaning is completed, remove the vacuum dust bag and store the vacuum cleaner on the pantry. Cleaning of floor corridor and pantry. A hotel with many floors, corridors and pantry require regular cleaning, and the following can be the proper procedure for cleaning the floor corridors. First of all, floor corridors must be thoroughly cleaned at least once a day based on guest traffic and occupancy. Sweep the entire floor corridor with the broomstick or if carpeted with a vacuum cleaner. Dust the furniture and fittings. Mop the floor with long handle mop. Place appropriate signage to warn the guest before mopping the floor corridor. To facilitate easy cleaning, divide the floor corridors into parts. Carpet shampooing should be scheduled only during off-season or low occupancy or otherwise if directed by the supervisor or the executive housekeeper. Clean all marble, tile, wood skirting with a damp cloth daily. Dust the light fittings, artwork frame and glass with feathered brush and duster. Replace the burned out light bulbs. Air supply vents and sprinklers should be also dusted and checked for their proper functioning. If any fingerprints or smudges found on the corridor wall, then the same to be cleaned immediately. The emergency exit doors of each floor should also be kept clean. Each floor housekeeping section of a hotel must have a floor pantry to keep the uninterrupted supply of linen, cleaning supplies, guest stationeries and amenities. The floor pantry should always have the linen required for that floor in circulation. Normally, the floor pantry should be ideally located near the service elevator and contain locked shelves to store linen and supplies. The room boy or attendant have to clean the pantry while beginning the shift and while ending the shift. All the racks on the shelves have to set with linen. The floor is to be swept thoroughly with floor cleaner and bleach. Dust all the racks and pipes on a daily basis. Sweeping and mopping of pantry is done once in the morning after removing the trolleys and once at the end of the shift. The pantry has to be scrubbed with recommended cleaning solution once in a week. The dustbin has to be emptied, washed and dried on a daily basis. Water cooler area is scrubbed daily and kept dry and clean. Wash basin is scrubbed and cleaned daily. Floor supervisors should check the floor pantry for cleanliness on a daily basis. Cleaning of restaurant or dining area cleaning. Cleaning and upkeeping of areas like tables, chairs, changing linen and some light vacuum is generally done by the restaurant staffs during the restaurant operational hours. Housekeeping staffs are responsible for the thorough cleaning of restaurants and all dining areas after working hours. Restaurants and dining areas have to be cleaned daily before their opening time and as and when requested by the restaurant staff. The following procedure can be useful in cleaning restaurant and dining areas. Gather all the cleaning items required for particular outlets. During morning time, open all the window curtains of the restaurant or the dining area to allow the natural light. Observe the entire area to be cleaned in order to plan the work. Before cleaning to begin, the public area attendant should move all the chairs from the table and make room for proper cleaning. Vacuum cleaning should be done to the entire of the carpeted area and upholstery. If any food spills are found on the carpet, then standard procedure of carpet shampooing should be followed. If the floor is not carpeted, sweep and mop the floor with a damp cloth to remove all dust and dirt from the floor surface. Garbage from the service station should be cleared off. All the furniture in the restaurant to be dusted clean and to be polished if required. Dust all high ceiling, pictures, artwork and corners. Clean and disinfect telephones. Wipe the side stations and host stations. Dust the point of sales terminals with appropriate cleaning supplies. Clean the mirrors, windows as and when required. If there are any requirement for repairs and maintenance, the same should be immediately notified to the control desk or to the engineering department. If any items are found which belong to the guests, then inform the housekeeping control desk or the hotel security. Collect all dirty table linens and replenish. Replenish clean linen supplies on a daily basis. Fill the cleaning report or register and submit it to the housekeeping control desk. Cleaning schedules. There are schedules for cleaning public areas depending on their functioning. These schedules are classified as the night cleaning schedules and day cleaning schedules. Night cleaning schedules. Night cleaning schedules refer to the cleaning of certain public areas during the night. For example, restaurants, banquet halls, lobbies, elevators, meeting rooms, business centers, shopping areas, basements, etc., which are more frequently used during the daytime, are to be cleaned at night. Day cleaning schedules. Day cleaning schedules are planned for the cleaning of certain areas which operate only in the nights. For example, nightclubs, rooftop areas, bars, cocktail lounges, etc., which require cleaning during the hours of the day. Pest control. A successful hotel has a management policy regarding the conducting the pest control on a regular basis, and the housekeeping department has an overall responsibility to coordinate between the contractors and all departments. The purpose of this policy is to ensure that the hotel premises are secured from all pests, to ensure problem areas can be identified and effective measures can be taken promptly, and to ensure that the minimum disturbance is caused to the operations of the hotel and the guests. Procedure for pest control. The following procedure can be employed to conduct the pest control operations. If any of the hotel staffs find pests such as cockroaches, ants, rats, spiders, flying insects, etc., in any area of the hotel, he or she should immediately report it to the housekeeping department. The housekeeping staff will record the details in the pest control logbook. The executive housekeeper must review the pest control logbook once a week to ensure the proper treatment is complied with. Housekeeping floor supervisor should coordinate with the pest control contractor for monthly schedule and urgent implementation arrangement of emergency pest control. The executive housekeeper will advise other departments regarding the schedule and the type of treatment used for pest control so that those departments can take necessary safety measures. For example, if the pest control operation is to be conducted in the kitchen, then the concerned department staffs will proceed to cover the food items, utensils, etc. And if the pest control operation to be carried in the restaurant staffs may proceed to cancel the table settings, displacing of cleaned servicing items from the pest controlling areas, etc. Pest control contractor will be guided and accompanied by housekeeping staff for security and job performance control purpose. Types of pest control service. There are three basic treatments in controlling pests, namely laying of rat bait to treat the rodent problem, spraying of insecticide for insect treatment, and fumigation for controlling flying insects. Areas to be covered in the pest control operations. The areas to be covered for pest control operations include all guest rooms, guest floor pantries, pipe duct rooms, and stairways. The pest control procedure includes spray plus laying and checking of rat bait with a regular frequency of every second month, or in emergency situations during daytime, covering public areas such as corridors, loading bay of all toilets, general stores, male and female changing rooms, lobby and front desk, floor terracing areas, driveway and engineering areas. Monthly, during overnight pest control to be done for kitchen and restaurant areas covering all food and beverage outlets such as all kitchens, staff canteens and restaurants. To sum up, public areas are the common spaces and facilities which offer the guests to meet, transact business and socialize with others. Public areas include front office lobby, bars, restaurants, fitness rooms, pool area, business center, guest laundry, public restrooms, floor lobbies, breakfast room, etc. There are several procedures followed to keep the public areas which are recommended by the housekeeping manual. The public area supervisor, the staffs of the public area housekeeping play a crucial role in maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene. Thank you.